Hey, Mac. My name is Lily, or my artist name is Lilyisthatyou, and today I'm here to talk about the MAC 3D glitter trend. I'm absolutely obsessed with this because I feel like experimental makeup is made out to be this really difficult and challenging thing to do, and I find this trend and like this look specifically so easy, and I don't know, I love what it expresses about me. So basically the look is going to be like a glitter eye bags, which I don't know, I think it's fun to accentuate that I'm tired, because I am, because I'm a boss bitch and I'm a girl boss and I'm working so hard. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So today this is the product that I want to use, and this is the A20 3D silver from MAC. So we're gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna take a little bit of glitter glue and put it on my finger. So I actually put it on a brush, just using like a little thin brush like this. Take the glitter glue, and I literally do this look all the time, and put it like just in my eye bag, like where the purple would be. And then it's so simple. Take the brush, take the glitter, and just put it in the glitter, and then I use this thin brush because I feel like it's easy to control like how much glitter I want. I'm gonna take the other side. Glitter glue in there. I also think like this is such a nice look for going out, especially like concerts or raves or anything like that, because this glitter like has so many dimensions to it and just picks up so much light and so much color in a room. Like I've worn this to somewhere, like an event that had like a black light, and it was glowing and it looked so cool. Then this is the MAC product I'm totally obsessed with. It's this blush in shade Harmony, and like oh my oh my. One more text from my good for another worthless sex, then I'll probably be in the bathroom stall, 'cause love's a drug after all. And then on my lid, I'm gonna use this MAC shadow. This is in the shade Discotheque. It's a dazzle shadow, and I have a few of these, and I absolutely love every single one of them. I love makeup, but I'm not like a perfectionist. Like I think I just like to have fun with like playing around with makeup and playing around with my own skin and my face and my bone structure, and just trying to figure out like what works best for me. Which is why I like this trend so much, because I feel like it doesn't ask the world of you. So this is a clear brow gel. The MAC clear brow gel. I'm gonna go in with this MAC gloss. This is Pleasure Principle. It's a dazzle gloss. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So it's a really silver look. Absolutely love this look. I'm gonna go with the MAC, the Magic Extension mascara. Now, as you can see, I have really textured skin, which is okay. So, you know, I was worried. I'm like, doing a makeup tutorial, my skin is so awful, but it's so normal, and you know, I don't have studio lighting in my bedroom at home. I assume neither do you. So we're in this together with acne and scars and hyperpigmentation and wrinkles and all of that. So don't judge yourself too hard, because we're all in the same boat. So this is my party look for my party song. And that's basically the look. You can follow me on all socials at Lilyisthatyou. It is me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. That's just wow. I love you. Bye.